Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the International Conference on Education and Science and Humanity. It is true and honor to have all of you, distinguished speakers, recommended education and participation. Join us on this meaningful education gathering. For the opportunity on to meet and excellent ising thus well with the development and education and shine for the better through. This is my ISIS. Implementation of quizzes paper mode interactive media to increase adherence and participation of grade 4 student of SJ Negeri Karangtengah in science learning. I am Purwanti and I will be your host for today opening session. Without further ado, let's start the every by saying Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This background. Most of the teachers of SJ Negeri Karangtengah State Elementary School implement scans learning in a conventional way and use monotone assessment. This makes students after the board and less interested in actively participating. As a request, student participation in law and the evaluation records do not show significant improvement. This condition, condition request and reward of learning methods that are more innovative and add student interest. Study purpose. This study aims to describe as all the quizzes paper mode application in interaction student adherence during science learning in grade of 4 of SD Negeri Karangtengah. That's course observation, interview, documentation. This relevant research. Ladies and gentlemen, research methods. This study uses a descriptive qualitative approach to understand the phenomenon real to inserting student attention in science learning using the quizzes paper mode application. This method was chosen because it is able to describe naturally what happened in class, with the research as the main instrument. Research and discussion. The implementation of interactive media quizzes paper mode in science learning in grade 4 of Karangtengah State Elementary School has a positive and significant impact on student achievement and participation. Quizzes paper mode is a interactive quizzes-based learning platform of provide a more enjoyable learning at smaller and motivate students to participate more in the morning learning process. This is a line with precision research window which show that the use of quizzes paper mode can significantly increase student motivation and spends learning. Commons. By implementing interactive media quizzes paper mode in Science Learning for Grade 4 of Karangtengah State Elementary School, a study has been conducted, and the results show that quizzes paper mode is effective in increasing student awareness and participation. Interactive media quizzes paper mode is also able to create a fun and interactive learning environment. This motivates students to activity participation in learning. In education, quizzes paper mode also help teacher in monitoring and improving student learning outcomes significantly. This can be applied in other source with education and import schools so provide education and internet facilities. Conducting training related to the technology interactive media. Ladies and gentlemen, we are we have now reached the end of your international conference on education and science and harmony. I would like to express of the deepest gratitude and participation for your valuable contribution, inspiring ideas and active participation together the session. Once again, thank you very much for joining us today. I am Purwanti, your host, Signi of See you at the next ACES conference. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a have fun, wonderful day. Thank you.